Hello everyone, I am Punzalang Leo Andre G from BSc 4Y21, Group 10. And now, I will discuss the RA 7586, also known as National Integrated Protected Area System, NIPAS. The Republic Act 7586, also known as the National Integrated Protected Area System, NIPAS, Act of 1992 was made by the Senate and House of Representatives of the Philippines in Congress assembled. It was then signed into law by President Corazon Aquino. The RA 7586 is under in green laws. So what is the purpose of the law? First is conservation of biodiversity. It aims to conserve the Philippines' rich biological diversity by establishing a system of protected areas such as national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, marine reserves, and other critical habitats. Second is sustainable use of resources. The law seeks to manage and use these areas in a sustainable way to ensure that natural resources are preserved for future generations. Third, legal protection. It provides a legal framework for designating and managing protected areas, including rules for conservation, development, and allowable human activities. Fourth, environmental education and awareness. It supports education and awareness campaigns about the importance of environmental conservation and the value of protected areas. And now, I will define the terminology of RA 7586. First, protected area, a portion of land and or water aside by reason of its unique physical and biological significance, managed to protect biodiversity and maintain natural process. Second, National Integrated Protected Area System, NIPAS, the classification and administration of all designated protected areas to maintain biological diversity, ensure sustainability, and provide environmental stability. Third, buffer zone. An identified area outside the boundaries of a protected area where restrictions may apply to help reduce human pressure and provide additional protection. Fourth, management plan. A document outlining the strategy and actions for the protection, development, and sustainable use of a protected area. This is the prohibited act and penalty of RA 7586. The National Integrated Protected Area System, NIPAS, Act of 1992. Prohibits various acts within protected areas including hunting, destroying, or distributing wildlife, dumping waste, using motorized equipment without a permit, damaging natural or cultural objects, and more. Penalties for violating the act can include fines ranging from 500,000 pesos to 500 pesos. Imprisonment for up to 6 years or both, depending on the severity of the violation and the damage caused.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Mama Carla Sasong from BSc 4Y2-5, and now I will discuss the Republic Act 11038, the Expanded National Integrated Protected Area System Act of 2018. Was enacted by the Philippines Congress, specialized the Senate and House of Representatives. Key figures involved the bill of passage include Senator Vilma N. Mariel Erica Lane Legarda. As Representative Josepin Santos, who will principal authors, the law amends Republic Act number 75, 63. The National Integrated Protected Area System, NIPAS, Act of 1992, also under scope in important of protected area in during food security in the port. Legarda, who authorized the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, said that proper waste management practice, including the segregation of garbage at some as transportation, processing, treatment, and proper disposal of solid waste, should be implemented by all local governments and households to prevent trash from going into our sea. She also mentioned that she also find House Bill number 635, which seeks to regulate the manufacturing, importation, and use of single-use plastic products, as well as prevent penalties into the accepted for industry, but business and consumer.
Thank you.
The RA 7586 111038, the Extended National Integrated Protected Area System, is under in green law.
Hello guys, I'm Dison Jasper Kyle from 4Y1-1. Our topic for today is INIPAS. Ano nga ba ang INIPAS? INIPAS is Act of 2018, formerly known as the Republic Act 11038, strengthens the protection of Philippines' biodiversity and ecosystems. It expands the National Integrated Protected Areas System (NIPAS), established by the NIPAS Act of 1992. The NIPAS Act adds more protected areas, including the Philippines' rice, marine resources reserve, and the Tanyon Strait protected seascapes. First is expanded National Integrated Protected Area System, an enhanced system established under this act that includes all legislated protected areas in the Philippines, ensuring better legal protection and management. Ito ay isang pinahusay na sistema na itinatag sa ilalim ng isang batas, the Republic Act number 11038, na sumasakop sa lahat ng mga lugar sa Pilipinas na idiniklarang protektado sa pamamagitan ng batas. Layunin nito sistema, ito ay isang ipinabuti na sistema itinatag sa ilalim ng isang batas, Republic Act number 11038, na sumasakop sa lahat ng protektado pamamagitan ng batas. Layunin ng sistemang ito na bigyan ng mas matibay na legal na proteksyon at mas maayos na pamamahala ang mga lugar na may mahalagang likas na yaman tulad ng pagubatan, hayop at yamang dagat upang mapanatiling ang kalikasan at mapangalagaan ito para sa susunod na henerasyon. Example, ang Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park sa Palawan ay isang protektadong lugar na nakasama sa ilalim ng INIPAS. Ito ay kilala sa kakaibang underground river at mayaman sa biodiversity. Dahil kasama ito sa INIPAS, ay mas mahigpit na batas na nagpoprotekta sa lugar laban sa illegal na pagputol ng puno, pagmimina at iba pang aktibidad na maaaring makasira sa area. Buffer zone, an area outside the boundaries of a protected area that provides additional protection by controlling harmful activities and promoting sustainable practices. Second is strict protection zone, an area within a protected area where human activities are highly restricted or prohibited to preserve biodiversity and natural conditions. Ang strict protection So yun, ang strict protection zone ay bahagi ng isang protected area o protektadong lugar kung saan may higpit na ipinagbabawal o nililimitahan ang mga aktibidad at katao upang mapanatili ang likas na kalagayan ng kalikasan at maprotektahan ang biodiversity o iba't ibang anyong buhay. May mga bahagi tulad ng mga kagubatan sa bundok na itinuturing strict protected zone. Sa mga lugar na ito, hindi pinapayagan ang pagpuputol ng mga puno, panghuli ng mga hayop o pagtatayo ng mga istruktura. Tanging mga conservation activities lang ang pinaghihintulutan at kadalasan kailangan may pahintulot mula sa ating pamahalaan. Buffer zone o zonang palangga. Ito ay isang lugar sa labas na hangganan ng isang protektadong lugar tulad ng kagubatan, parke o santuaryo ng kalikasan na nagsisilbing karagdagang proteksyon. Sa pamamagitan nito, kinokontrol ang mga papaminsalang gawain tulad ng ilegal na pagputol ng mga puno, pagmimina o labis na pangangaso. Pinopromote din dito ang sustainable o pangmatagalang mga gawain na hindi makakasira sa kalikasan. So yun, itinatag ang buffer zone kung saan pinapayagan lamang ang mga aktibidad tulad ng organic farming, ecotourism at pangangalaga sa kagubatan. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi direktang naapektuhan ang mismong santuaryo at nabibigyan pa ng kabuhayan ang mga lokal na residente nang hindi sinisira ang kalikasan. Management plan, isang dokumentary plan o strategy na naglalarawan kung paano alagaan at paunlarin, gagamitin at protektahan ang isang protected area. Ang planong ito ay batay sa sensya, kultura at opinyon ng mga komunidad. Example, sa isang protected area, maaari magkaroon ng mga management plan tulad ng konserbasyon ng kalikasan, tulad ng pagbabawal sa pagputol ng mga punong kahoy at pagkuha ng mga hayop. Ayon sa RA 11038 ay nagtatakda ng iba't ibang parusa para sa paglabag sa mga probisyon nito, kabilang ang multa at pagkakakulong. Ang bigat ng parusa ay nakadepende sa uri ng paglabag, uri ng protektadong lugar, na sangkot at konserbasyon na estado ng mga apektadong species. Ang multa ay maaari magmula sa 200,000 pesos hanggang 500,000 pesos at maaari ring may kasamang pagkakakulong o mas mabigat na parusa sa sinumang sisira sa mga kritikal na nanganganib o